Hi everyone, I am Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see Python loops. Looping is a set of statements which is executed a number of times until a particular condition makes true. Python loops allow to execute a statement, a group of statements multiple times. Then times depends the conditions. It have two types of loops. One is while loop, another one is for while loop. While loop it repeatedly executes a set of statements as long as the condition is true. This loop starts with a keyword while, followed by a condition, followed by a colon, and indented block of statements. The indentation is very important in Python. The syntax of the while loop is while, condition, colon, the set of statements. Example, assigning the value 0 to the count variable while count is less than 5. The initial value of the count is 0, so the condition becomes true. Inside the while loop, I included two statements. One is I'm increasing the count value by 1. Another one is the iteration number. So I increase the count to 1. Then I print the values for iteration number 1. Then it goes to check with the another time. 1 is less than 5. It becomes true. Iteration 2. 3 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Till it meets 5. So iteration number 5 times. After count reaches to 5, the condition becomes false. So it comes out of the loop. It displays the value end of while loop. Break statement with while loop. Break statement is used to terminate the current loop iteration and resumes with the next statement. The break statement and continue statements are used with both for loop and while loop. For example, var equal to 10, I'm comparing the var with 0, var is greater than 0. So 10 is greater than 0 only. So the condition becomes true. It displays current variable value is 10. Where I'm decreasing the values to meet the condition false. So if var equal to 5, for example, if I'm not including the break statement, it executes 10 times, like from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 to 1. So when it reaches equal to 0, the loop will be terminated. But in between, I used the break statement to terminate the current loop and resume with the next iterations. Terminate the current loop. So the condition is var equal to 5. So when the var value is equal to 5, it comes out of the loop. So we will see the output of this program. Current variable 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Once it reached 5, it terminates the loop. Continue statement with while loop. Break statement terminate the loop and continue with the next statement. But continue statement terminate or skip the current execution and continue with the next iteration. That is the difference. So this is an example to find the prime factors of a particular number. So here I am using the continue to continue with the next iteration. The output of the program is prime factors for 60 is 2, 2, 3, 5. For loop. For loops is another type of loop which is used in Python. It also provides the ability for a loop over the items of any sequence. It can list, tuple, string. The for loop starts with the keyword for, followed by an expression and followed by a colon and a set of indented statements. The syntax of the for loop is for iterating variable, that is a counter variable. In is a keyword followed by a sequence, a set of numbers. It may be a list, it may be a tuple, or it may be a string. Then indented statement. For example, I'm taking a list for this example. Numbers is a list which contains 10 elements. I'm going to find the total of these elements using for loop. For num is a counter variable which is used to take the elements from the list numbers. So the total value of that list is 539. The second example, I'm applying the for loop with the tuples, which is used to find the only the even numbers. The first element, whenever the loop is executed, it takes the next element from the sequence. The first element is 34, which is divided by 2. It is printed as a even number. 54, 67 is not. Then 78 is a prime number. 44 is a prime number. And 80 is a prime number, even number. Break with for loop. Break statement is used to terminate the current looping execution and resumes with the next statement outside the loop. For example, for letter in Python. So letter is a counter variable, Python is a string. When the letter equal to the H character, I apply the break statement. That means when it reads the H, it comes out of the loop. Before that, it will be iterated. The output of this program is PYT goodbye. When it reads H, it terminates from the loop. Continue statement with for loop. The continue statement which is used to skip the current iteration and proceed with the next iteration in the loop. For example, for letter in Python, the letter equal to H means it continue with the next iteration. The current iteration only skipped. The output of the program is PYTON. H skipped from the iteration. Thank you all.